Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Wednesday, July 22nd, 2026. We'll explore the latest developments shaping the financial landscape. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Today, major indexes showed a decline. The S&P 500 index closed at 7,499.44, down 9.76 points. The Dow 30 index dropped 6.6 points to 52,218.58, while the Nasdaq Composite Index shed 146.30 points, closing at 25,690.90. Market breadth was mixed today. The S&P 500 index displayed an even split with 243 advances and 244 declines. The Nasdaq Composite Index saw a significant 1,860 declines over 956 advances, indicating bearish sentiment. Focusing on total and daily returns, today's most notable decreases were seen in the Nasdaq Composite Index, with a decline of 0.56%. In contrast, year-to-date, the Russell 2000 Index has led the way with a return of 19.26%. Leading the gains, the utilities sector surged by 2.2% to close at 466.71. The energy sector also performed well, moving up 1.1% to 906.95, driven by strong positive trends and upward volatility. In contrast, the communication services sector fell 1.2% to 455.27, encountering a strong negative trend. The consumer cyclical sector also struggled, declining by 0.84% as negative trends continued. Globally, Brazil, iShares ETF, led market gains, closing up 2.8% at 36.62. Norway, iShares ETF, followed with a 1.7% rise driven by positive trends and upward volatility. Evaluating returns, Brazil, iShares ETF, outshone with a year-to-date return of 15.27%. Meanwhile, Singapore, iShares ETF, maintained strong momentum with a 16.36% return year-to-date, benefiting from very strong positive trends. The tech sector saw a mixed day with notable movements. NVIDIA led the charge, closing at 212.4, up 4.74, marking a 2.2% rise with a very strong positive trend. However, Meta Platforms struggled, dropping 2.5% to 627.17, continuing its 5-day downturn.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently down, trading at 65,910.64 with a decrease of 605.54. Ethereum follows a similar trend, currently at 1,928.16, losing 0.84 today. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are experiencing mixed negative trends, but show some upward volatility. Despite intraday declines, some cryptos show interesting returns. Bitcoin has a month-to-date return of 12.62%, while Ethereum records a higher monthly return of 22.86%. However, year-to-date, both are down significantly, with Bitcoin and Ethereum both losing over 24% and 35% respectively.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Today, the US dollar has notable trends against several key currencies. Currently, against the euro, the dollar weakens slightly, priced at 0.8761, dropping by a fraction of a cent. Despite this, it retains a strong positive trend against the euro. Moving on, against the British pound, the dollar shows a slight upward movement, trading at 0.7477. Remarkably, it has been rising consecutively for 3 days, strengthening its strong positive trend. The picture shifts when we consider the Japanese yen, where the dollar is priced at 163.1460, showing a minor decline but maintains a very strong upward trend. Furthermore, against the Swiss franc, the trend is positive, with the dollar rising to 0.8145, marking 4 consecutive days of upward movement, albeit with some upward volatility. Lastly, against the Australian dollar, the dollar shows a mixed positive trend, pricing at 1.4285, with a relatively flat movement for the last 7 days.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.